Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 18th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame to start with. Actually, I think we should possibly jump all the way up to the daily for a minute, because I do think this whole move is possibly a correction. I am definitely looking for like a break of structure to the downside, preferably at a Fibonacci retracement level, to prove that this wave B is over, that we're back into the downtrend for a wave C. We do not have that yet. And technically, the trend is up on the daily, the monthly, the weekly. The trend is very heavily up. So for me personally, until we get a very significant break of structure to the downside like that at a Fibonacci level, I am definitely still bullish. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, now, I personally am only looking for longs. I'm looking to go long here, 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 and here. I am not taking any sorting opportunities on this. If it does start to break down on the 1 hour time frame, I will get excited. Not because I'm going to go short, because I know if I throw my Fibonacci retracement on there, and if I get another three-way pullback and a Fibonacci bounce, that would give me another opportunity to go long. So until the daily time frame tells me otherwise, I am doing absolutely nothing but looking for longs, and I will not be going long unless we get a nice little pullback. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.